Hey dear, welcome back to the code behavior. If you are still writing every line of code manually in 2026, you are wasting hours of your time and your development time being too much slow as compared to others who are using AI agents to write their 80 to 90% codes. In some cases, it is 90 to 95% cases. In cases, 90% code like developer are using AI agents to write their code. So in this video, I am going to show you how to use AI agent inside the Visual Studio Code to build a complete interactive web application from scratch without typing anything. So it's not just you can only like I have created here. You can see I have created here test underscore AI underscore agent dot HTML. So it is only for just to showcase you like how we can take the help of AI agent to write our own code without writing manually by ourselves. Okay, so यहाँ पे क्या है कि अगर आप मेन स्टैक डेवलपर हो नोड जेएस या फिर जावास्क्रिप्ट या फिर पीएचपी या फिर पाइथन या जावा सो एनी लैंग्वेज यू आर यूजिंग यू कैन यूज द एआई एजेंट इट विल हेल्प you to write your around 90% of the code automatically and you can save your time you can save your time many times and it will be 10x faster how you are writing now. Okay, so not only this but also I will ask the AI agent to make live modification to our code. So if you are already you have already written your project in any technology, so in between you can enhance like there is 5 API and if you want to add one more API so you can ask to Copilot or something AI agent, so it will help you to write one more API or you can modify your existing thing. So we will start looking into that how we can help how we can take help from the AI agent to write our own code. So let's see. So here if you see it in HTML file, so any HTML file if I show you here, you see we have written doc type HTML head body and everything. So here we have written manually. Okay, it is a long time ago, but now what we will do, we will not write anything manually. We will take help of AI agent and instead of writing doc type HTML or basic CSS or JavaScript event listener, we will open our AI agent panel and in VS Code and give it a prompt. So here you can see on top here you see toggle chat. So this is a AI you can say AI editor icon. So here it is a AI editor. You can see open chat, online chat, quick chat, new chat. So everything you see the option. Okay, and here you see the right side window we have open. Here we can stretch also. Okay, so we can drag it left right and here we can type in bottom you see there is option to type. So instead of typing here because the video will be long, so I have already written the prompt. So the main important thing is here prompt, your prompt, how much your prompt is strong, then in that case your code it will be more cleaner and more precise for the AI agent to write your code without any hallucination, without any duplicacy or any other logic mismatch. So you should be more clear about your prompt. So if your prompt is clear and meaningful, then your code will be also meaningful. It will not be any kind of duplicacy or any kind of uh, discrepancy. So I have just given create a complete single file web application containing HTML, modern CSS styling, and embedded JavaScript inside script tag. Build a simple interactive task tracker dashboard with an input field and add task button and task list that can mark item as complete or delete them. Okay, so I'm just giving this and I just say write all the code inside this file test agent HTML file. So I just click on enter and let's see. So before doing that, what I can show you here, you can see there is nothing into this page. I just reload it and there is nothing. You see this is a simple page. There is no code, okay? Because here also you see there is no code. So I just given a prompt to AI agent and it is started to reviewing the prompt and it will start to giving the code suggestion what I need for this. Okay. So you can see it is given this much line of code. Let me just show you in a bigger. So you can see everything it written here from top. It started with HTML and it written the style and everything css you see, and then if you go down, it will return inside the script, it will return the it has written the javascript code also. So for this what you can do is there is a keep action button you see. So when you click on keep, it will come to add it to your file. Okay, so it added and you can save it and just leave it. Okay, yeah, so it done, and let me go into our web page and what it did, let me just refresh it. So here you can say it created task tracker. There is an input field to add a task, this is add task. Okay, and let me add a first task. Okay, so this is my first task. So I just write here and click on add. So here you can see this is my first task. So here is option to done and delete. Okay, and again we can add this is my second task. So we can see here it is, and then this is third task. So if you click on add task, so it is showing here. Okay, and if I want to delete the second task, what it is showing, so I just click on delete, so it is deleted, right? So it is deleted. And if I click on for first task done, so what it is showing, it is mark as completed. So it is showing the checkbox, green checkbox, and it's mean this task is completed. Okay, so here what I want, I just like you see I have to give two suggestion here. First thing I just want to give, let me show you. I had a dark mode toggle button in the header. So I'm just going to give this first suggestion. Okay. So I have opened the Visual Studio Code and here I have given to the add a dark mode toggle into button in the header. So let's click on enter and let's see what will happen. So it is reviewing and writing the modification for this same file. So it is added and I have to just click on keep and let's go in page and just refresh and let's see. We have to again click on keep. Okay, so I did it. Let's see if it is need more to. Okay, so let's just wait to make it completed if it's any more modification need by AI agent. So the modification is done by the AI agent. So let's see into the UI part. So I just refresh in and you can see here is a toggle button is added. Okay, so here earlier it was dark mode and when I click on light, so it converted to light mode currently, and when I click it again, it will convert it to dark mode. So you can see I just given a single prompt to this like add a dark mode toggle button in the header and it started doing the code modification, and within a you can say within a minute or within a seconds, I mean 20 second 30 second, we can see our implementation in the code and it reflected in the UI. Next I just want to give, instead of cross icon here I want to add show alert pop-up before delete. Okay, so currently what it is happening here, you can see I just click on delete and it is deleting. So the delete behavior should not be like that. So what it can be happen, some users came here and click on like by mistake it click on it, it will be deleted. So what should be here, there should be a pop-up before deleting. So let me ask to AI agent to add a pop-up. So alert pop-up before delete action. Okay, I just said and I just click on enter. So it is started thinking and about it is about to code modification. So let's see. So here it did. I just click on keep and let's see if it is needed more modification. So it added the confirmation button and let's see. I will refresh and Let's see. So I will just add more tasks. So this is my recent task. Okay, and let me test task created. Okay, so I have created three tasks and I want to delete the third task. Okay, so I just click on delete, and here you see it is open the alert pop-up. Delete this is third task. So it is asking for you if you want to delete. So I just click on OK and it is deleted. So everything you see, I just ask firstly in first prompt I ask create a web page from scratch, and having all this type of language like see, I just asked to create in using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Same thing you can ask if you are using Angular or React, you can ask to do so in Angular or React. Okay, so there is no language barrier. AI agent will do for you in every language with any kind of logic. So this is how you leverage AI agent inside Visual Studio Code to write, refactor, and update code at lightning speed. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment box with your favorite AI coding tool. And please subscribe the channel and like the video for more practical web development and AI tutorials video. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, मिलते हैं next video में.